Hip-hop, a musical genre that is a combination of rhythmic music and imposed on her recitative, sometimes with the presence of melodious verse. Hip-hop music is a combination of two elements of the musical subcultures of hip-hop, DJing and amazing. The origins of hip-hop music lie in the funk, which is the main power of this trend. The subculture of hip-hop was born in 1974 in the African-American and Latino quarters of the Bronx. The period from 1986 to 1993 called Gold Era of Hip-Hop. The history of hip-hop originated in the late 60s of the 20th century and continues to evolve to this day. Hip-hop culture originated in New York among black and Latino ghettos. The emergence of hip-hop and dance to attract young people to lead positive effects, disguised aggressiveness of a showdown between street gangs, negative energy has been implemented in another peaceful manner. Beboing began in the Bronx in an era of New York in the 60s-70s. Funk emerged in the mid-1960s in the USA as a modified, weighted soul. The inventor and the good father James Brown, funk started out as a singer of soul and rhythm and blues. Funk, first of all, is dance music and defines its musical characteristics. Maximum syncopation parties of all instruments, syncopated bass called funking, pulsating rhythm, screaming, vocals, repetition or short melodic phrase. The first group, rocky steady crew. Poppin is a street dance and one of the original funk styles that came from California during the 1960s-70s. It is based on the technique of quickly contracting and relaxing muscles to cause a jerk in the dancer's body, referred to as a pop or a hit. This is done continuously to the rhythm for a song in combination with various movements and poses. The group was formed at Electric Boogaloo in 1975-1976. Its founder Sam Salomon. He has created some motion developing today in such styles as paping and boogaloo with the participation of a locking dancer from the group The Lockers. Locking. The beginning of locking can be traced to one man, Don Campbell. In the late 1960s, he put together several fat dancers adding moves of his own, then performing. The original lock was created by accident. Don Campbell couldn't do a move called the Robert Shuffle and stop it at a particular point whilst moving his arm, creating a locking effect. He wasn't able to perform it fluently as he couldn't remember which step to take next. Even the acting towards the audience was spontaneous when people started laughing and Don, because of his unfamiliar moves, he responded by pointing at them. House. House started out in the 70s when was born the so-called era of disco. In the 80s, for the first time there was such a thing as time to jack. The jack, the basic motion in house from which developed a new trend in dance. House is first of all control over the body and the energy that the dance or restrained or produced blast with. House dance, which involves our body, however, the most important skill of house position, dance column, footwork together in the body, jigging. During the development of a dance, house stood out for special styles, namely footwork, jigging, and laughing, were dance techniques as skating, stomping, and shuffling. Walking was born in gay clubs of Los Angeles as the hand movements parody of a style walking dancers. In addition to the hand movements, walking includes position and the art of clear lines and podium generations. The original music for walking started as funk, disco, and then house. Woggle. Wogging is a highly stylized modern house dance that developed out of the Harlem ballroom scene in the 1960s. Inspired by Vogue magazine, Vogue is characterized by model-like poses integrated with angular, linear, and rigid arm, leg, and body movements. The style of dance arose from Harlem ballrooms by African American and Latino Americanism in the early 1960s. Over the years, the dance developed in into the more intricate and illusory form that is now called Robra.